How to upload Amazon review videos. In this quick video, I'll show you how to upload videos to your Amazon reviews. Share your experience with products visually and help other shoppers make better decisions. You must be a verified buyer. This means you actually purchased the product from Amazon. Your video file in MP4 or MOV format. A clear video showing the product in action. Log into your Amazon account. Go to your orders. Find the product you bought and want to review. Click Write a product review. Type your written review first. Include details about the product, your experience, what you like and dislike. Scroll down to the Add Photos or Videos section. Click Add Video. Select your video file from your computer. Make sure your video file is in MP4 or MOV format. File size should be reasonable. Don't make it too huge. Click Upload. Wait for your video to upload completely. You'll see a thumbnail preview of your video below your review text. Review everything one more time. Make sure your video preview looks good. Click Submit to publish your review. Amazon will review your video for compliance. This takes up to a few days. Once approved, your video appears on the product page. Use good lighting. Natural light or soft lighting works best. Film in landscape mode, not vertical. Show the product clearly. Demonstrate how it works or what it looks like. Keep it concise. 30 to 90 seconds is ideal. Use clear audio, no background noise or mumbling. Unboxing videos. Show what comes in the box. Product demonstrations. Show it in action or being used. Close-up details. Show design, quality, build, real usage. Show the product in actual use. Comparison videos. Show how it compares to similar products. Don't include customer testimonials or quotes from others. Don't make health or medical claims. Don't use other brand names or logos without permission. Don't include political, religious, or controversial content. Don't include sexually suggestive content. Don't show offensive or inappropriate material. Only verified buyers can upload videos. You must have purchased the product. Your video must be original and authentic. Keep it focused on the product, not promotional fluff. Be honest about pros and cons. Avoid fake or sponsored-looking content. If you have a social media presence on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, you can join the Amazon Influencer Program. This lets you upload videos to earn commissions on sales. You need decent social media engagement to qualify. Then you can review any product sold on Amazon and earn money when people buy through your links. Buy product from Amazon, write your review, click Add Video, upload MP4 or MOV file, submit. Amazon approves within days. Video appears on product page, done. If this helped you upload Amazon reviews, like and subscribe. Comment below and tell me what product you reviewed. Thanks for watching.